Hello everybody, welcome back to Engineering Graphics. So today we're going to be learning about another amazing, magical, incredible button you can click in SolidWorks. Which one is that? Mirror. So where is it? Well, it's under your Features tab, it's over here, it's currently grayed out because I have to create something before I can use it. But it's going to be wonderful. Now, we've run into Mirror before when I was doing sketches, and it's great. If you can just draw half of your image, mirror it over to the other side. Also, if you've already created something one way and you want to create a mirror image of it and then get rid of the original, you can do that. Lots of good stuff here. So we're going to do something similar, but this time with the features. So I'm going to go ahead and build something for you real quick, and then we'll go from there. Exit sketch. I'll do it from the top plane, and I'm going to go ahead and get to work making my Butamus item. I've been doing Legos a lot. Why? Because my class is making Legos for a project, and so I'm making Legos in here. And also just because Legos are fun. You know? I like Legos. Okay. So I'm going to create a pretty basic Lego shape. And now I'm going to put some little nubs on the top of it. What I'm creating is not all that important. That's diameter. That should be correct, but that seems huge. Why does it seem huge? Ah, okay. That's fine, though I need to go back to my original and change the dimensions a bit. Okay. 10. 20 and 30. There we go. That's right. Okay. Looking a lot better now. Not nearly as crazy for those sizes. Proportions matter. So I got 2.5 here. 2.5 here. So I'm doing quite a bit of work to make this feature. And hopefully it'll be worth it in the end. Hopefully. I don't know. I'm just guessing that it will. Okay. And I'm going to add some more in that direction. I'm going to go down this way. One more. And there's some that are going off the edge, so I'm going to have to get rid of those. So, entities, instances to skip. You're getting yourself a little refresher on how to use your sketch pattern here, which is nice. I think that one's probably not there either. I want to go with just those for now. As a note, I am going from memory here, so forgive me if this is slightly off from how it should be. Okay. Last thing we're going to do is going to shell the bottom. I'm not going to bother putting all the nubs on the bottom. I could do that, but I really don't want to take the time right now because this video isn't about all these commands. Okay, so I've got this basic Lego. I worked really hard at it. Just imagine that all the circles down here that should be there are there. And this is only 3 steps. Obviously, it's not that hard, but some of these pieces, they're very, very hard. And then you need to create the exact same thing, but the mirror image. And you can do all the steps over again, just opposite for the bottom. And you can do that. Like, you know how to do it, but wouldn't it be nice if there was an easier way? Well, there is. So I worked really hard to create this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror it. So how does mirror work? Well, first off, I got to give it a mirror, face, or plane. So I can choose a face in my object. I can also just choose a plane, and it will mirror it around that. Either one works. I'm going to choose the right plane just because. Then I can either choose features to mirror, faces to mirror, or bodies to mirror. In all honesty, for what I'm doing right now, bodies is the correct way. If I had something on this side, I just want to bring these nubs over, I could do that. That would be okay to features to mirror. But if you want to mirror the entire body, mirror the entire body. So bodies to mirror, this guy. The last detail that I really like when you're doing this is merge solids. You don't have this for a linear pattern, but you do have it for here. So I can either not merge the solids, and what you'll see at the end is there's a dividing line. This is one body, this is another body. Or I can merge the solids, and now this is one body. There is no dividing line because it's all now connected. Both are important, both are helpful from time to time. If I had to continue to mirror this over and over again, it might be good to just mirror the bodies. Though this is going to look nicer if you're trying to do with Legos. So I would probably merge. Okay, what I'm doing right here, I'm not going to merge the solids. Boop. Okay, so I now have two pieces, but I only need one. I created this one, hopefully I saved it. Now, can I delete it? I'm not sure if it'll let me delete the whole thing. No, I wouldn't. I haven't tried that before, okay? I was trying something new. But what I normally do is, once I have created what I need, and SOLIDWORKS decides to be really weird in how it looks at things. Okay, so I've saved the right one. Now I want just the left one. Well, how do I get rid of this guy? There we go. Well, I just delete him. I just extrude cut him into nothingness. Make a big square, features, extrude cut, through all. It ceases to exist, and I now save my new amazing mirrored feature. Okay? So it's glorious. It's very, very helpful to do this. So you can save yourself time, you can save yourself a lot of just pain and suffering. So use it. So that is our mirror tool. This is how I often use it. However, you can also mirror features. That's also very, very helpful. It's a little bit harder to show in a 6-minute video. So I hope this helped you. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.